pagpapatuloy ng impeachment trial ni Chief Justice Renato Corona, inamin ni Land Registration Authority Administrator Eulalio Diaz III na hinanda na niya ang listahan ng umano'y ari-arian ng punong maestrado bago pa man humingi ng tulong ang prosekusyon. Sinabon din si Diaz dahil di man lang daw niya binusisi ang mga titulo bago inilabas ang listahan. Saksi si Sherian Torres.
Base sa dokumento ng Land Registration Authority, ang umaabot ng 45 properties na nakikita sa iba't ibang lugar dito sa Metro Manila na nasa pangalan ni Chief Justice Corona at ng kanyang pamilya.
Ang pahayag na ito ng prosekusyon 4 na araw bago ang pagsisimula ng impeachment trial ni Chief Justice Renato Corona. Nag-ugat sa listahang inilabas ni Land Registration Authority Administrator Attorney Eulalio Diaz III. Sa pagtatanong ni Senadora Miriam Defensor Santiago, lumabas na si Diaz na minsang naging kaklase ni Pangulong Noynoy Aquino sa elementarya, nag-volunteer din sa senatorial at presidential campaign ni Aquino. Siya rin ang tumayong Chief Legislative Staff at Chief Political Officer ni Aquino sa Senado mula 2007 hanggang 2009. Ang ugnayang ito ang dinikdik ng senadora nang usisain ng paglalabas ni Diaz ng listahan ng umano'y 45 ari-arian ng punong maestrado.
Who was the appointing authority?
The President, Your Honor.
I didn't hear you correctly. Who was your appointing authority?
The President, Your Honor.
The President. And you knew already when you issued the certification that he was the President of the Philippines, whom we have served and supported for many years, who wants the Chief Justice to be impeached. Answer yes or no.
It didn't appear that way to me, Your Honor.
Ah, really? Didn't you ask? Since this was already brewing into a political firestorm, didn't you ask your people? Is there a way we can filter information so that I will be committed only to issuing the titles that have not been cancelled or which are still valid as of the day I print them?
That was not the intention of the requester, Your Honor.
What was the request then?
To get any information relative to the...
Therefore, it was a dragnet. Is that what you're trying to say? Drag a net as widely as possible and then give me all the names related to these people. That's it?
I think that was the intention, Your Honor, for them to do a study.
Depensa ni Diaz, sa pinagawa niyang computer search para sa umano'y Corona properties, first time daw niyang magpa-search sa database gamit ang pangalan at hindi ang titulo na siya nakasanayan. Kaya maging ang mga kapangalan daw ni Chief Justice, kanyang asawa at mga anak at manugang, lumabas din daw sa search.
You were an automaton. Sino ngayon may kasalanan? Prosecution o ikaw? Answer me. Look in my eyes. Look me in the eye.
I have no fault, Your Honor.
Wala ka. At least sila.
I'm not saying that either, Your Honor.
I'm sorry?
I'm not also saying that, Your Honor.
You're not saying that. All right. What are you saying? Whose fault is it? Someone is at fault here.
I wouldn't know, Your Honor. As far as
I commend your ignorance, Mr. Administrator. You are guilty of negligence. Not only of negligence, but of gross negligence. Either you or the prosecution, nobody else.
I did not have to review these documents lest I be found biased to one party.
You are going to review an official. You intended to review an official document, and you abstain from reviewing because you might be accused of being biased. Just checking for the facts. Is that what you're trying to tell me? Look at me. Look at me straight in the eye. That's what you're trying to tell me? We're both graduates of law school and we're both registered lawyers, and that's what you're trying to tell me?
Yes, Your Honor.
Gihit ng senadora, di raw dapat basta-basta naglabas ng listahan si Diaz na naglalaman ng mga pangalan ng mga taong di naman daw sangkot sa impeachment case.
I believe as a judge that you are standing on the very brink of pushing the envelope. You're right there on the cliff. All I have to do is put out one finger and you'll fall right down. As for the liability of prosecutors, I ask you gentlemen to study your canons of judicial conduct. You are teetering on the brink of criminality.
Sa pagtatanong ni Senadora Loren Legarda, sinabi ni Diaz na inabot daw ng 2 hanggang 3 araw ang search para sa mga umano'y Corona properties. Tanong naman ni Senador Bongbong Marcos, bakit name search imbes na title search ang ginawa ni Diaz?
Why did you discontinue using this method of searching, of computer searching, after you had generated this list?
Because, Your Honor, we realized that we have to come up with some rules and regulations also for a name search.
Did you warn the prosecution team that there may be weaknesses in the system that you used to generate this list?
There was no weakness in the system, Your Honor. And
There's no weakness in the system, so why are you not using it?
We used it, Your Honor.
Yes, once. Why are you not using it now?
Because
if it is perfect, if it is working so well.
The rules, Your Honor, does not apply to the system that we're using, but on the request that will be granted, Your Honor.
Sa tanong naman ni Presiding Officer Juan Ponce Enrile kung bakit di sa hometown ng punong maestrado sa Batangas sinimulan ang search sa mga ari-arian, sabi ni Diaz, gusto raw nilang mapabilis ang proseso.
Bakit hindi mo inumpisa ng search doon sa Batangas?
Hindi pa computerized doon, Your Honor.
Kahit na, bakit hindi mo itinuloy sa Batangas? Dahil alam mo na humihingi ng tulong sa iyo yung prosecution, kaya tinawagan ka upang malaman kung may ari-arian ang nakasakdal sa impeachment case na ito na hindi niya isinama sa kanyang SALN. Bakit dito ka nag-umpisa sa Maynila, hindi dun sa kanyang probinsya?
No, probably, Your Honor, because it's a convenience, Your Honor, of generating title search to the computer, Your Honor.
Ay, gusto mo madalian na magkaroon ng ebidensya kontra sa nakasakdal, ganun ba?
Actually, yung mga dokumentong unang inirelease namin, nasa opisina ko na po. Kasi po, even before that, humihingi na po ang mga kaibigan natin sa media. Maybe I should have done it. I should have done it, Your Honor.
It never occurred to you, no?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kaya tinanong ni Enrile ang prosekusyon. Alam daw ba nilang may nakahanda ng listahan si Diaz bago pa tumawag si Lead Prosecutor Niel Tupas Jr. para manghingi ng talaan ng umano'y Corona properties?
No, Your Honor.
No, you did not.
No, because if I may explain, as was stated earlier, we already have the various documents referring to different properties allegedly owned by the Chief Justice.
You have already evidence of some of the properties.
Yes, we already have
Yeah.
at that time, but we wanted to confirm if there are, number one, confirm, and number two, we wanted to know whether there are other
You have already
properties.
detached.
Search
Alam
of deed.
mo,
Search.
kompanyero, medyo malabo itong istorya natin eh. Kaya hindi ka panipaniwala. Kaya yun ang dahilan kung bakit nagtataka yung mga kasama kung mga hukom dito, mga senador, sa iyong testimonya sa amin. Kaya ipaliwanag mo lamang para sa ganon, maklaro yan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Dahil may kaugnayan dyan, yan sa kredibilidad ng iyong deklarasyon dito.
Yes, Your Honor.
Hindi ka paniniwalaan eh. Pag
Yes, Your
ganyan.
Sa paglilitis kanina, sinikap din plansyahin kung ano-ano pa bang ari-arian ni Corona ang dapat talakayin. Sa 45 properties kasi na nakalagay sa listahan na inilabas ni Diaz, ayon sa depensa, 17 sa mga titulong ito ang kanselado na. Sang-ayon ng prosekusyon, maliban sa isang titulo, ang Ayala Heights property daw na dapat idineklara noon pa dahil 2010 lang ito na ibenta. Sa mga nalalabing titulo, 12 naman ang hindi nakapangalan sa mag-asawang Renato at Cristina Corona. Ang prosekusyon may reservation daw sa 4 sa mga titulong ito na nakapangalan sa mga anak na sina Charina, Carla Corona Castillo at manugang na si Constantino Castillo III. Para sa depensa, ang balanse ay 16 na titulo, habang 21 naman ang nais na maipapaliwanag ng prosekusyon. Sa 16 na titulong tinutukoy ng depensa, 5 raw sa mga property ay inaako ng punong maestrado. Kabilang ang Bellagio Condo, Bonifacio Ridge Property, The Columns Condo, Burgundy Condo, at Saverville Property na ayon sa prosekusyon ay 2 raw ang titulo. Pinagsusumite ng korte ang magkabilang padig na memorandum kaugnay sa listahan ng mga ari-arian. Ako si Sharian Torres, ang inyong saksi.
Hinamo naman ni Supreme Court Associate Justice Arturo Brion na mga bagong abogado na itaguyod ang batas at huwag magpasikil kanino man. Sa oteki na may 1,000 bar passers, sinabi ni Brion na sinusubok daw ngayon ang mahalagang papel ng mga abogado na ipagtanggol ang batas sa gitna ng impeachment trial ng kanilang pinakamataas na opisyal, si Chief Justice Renato Corona. Pinasaringan din ni Brion ang mga nagsasabing mas mataas ang impeachment court sa Korte Suprema na pareho naman daw na saklaw ng saligang batas. Dumalo sa oteking si Corona, nakatabi pa si Senior Associate Justice Antonio Carpio. Si Carpio sinabi noon ni Corona na posibleng nasa likod din ng paninira sa kanya at maaaring ipalit sa Chief Justice kung matanggal sa pwesto. Daron din ang sinasabing kritiko ni Corona na si Associate Justice Maria Lourdes Sereno Tanging ang nakalib na si Associate Justice Mariano del Castillo ang hindi nakadalo.
To society. The great playwright William Shakespeare expressed this role in another way, in his own unique way. And he said in the play, Henry VI, the first thing to do, let's kill all lawyers. Thereby he recognized for posterity that the first thing any aspiring autocrat must do to succeed to power is to kill all the lawyers, because they, even in those times, were the most vocal dissenters to oppression and tyranny. The oath you took today commands you to fight tyranny by upholding the rule of law.
Saksihan mamaya. Isang lalaki patay sa pamamaril sa barangay Talipapa, Quezon City.
8 taong gulang na bata sa Indonesia nakakaubos daw ng 2 kaha ng sigarilyo kada araw.
At sa sports aksi, isang OFW napili magdala ng sulo sa 2012 London Olympics.
Huwag bibitiw!
Sama-sama pa rin tayong magiging saksi.